Everybody, welcome to my new update video. Today I solve a interesting equation. Here is given that 1 by x square minus 1 by x all cube is equal to 80. Let's go start. Here is given the equation is 1 by x and 1 by x. So we expand 80 as a 2 number. Now we can write from right side to left side is 1 by x all square minus 1 by x all cube minus h0. Okay friends, then we can write here x 1 by x all square 1 by x all cube. We expand 80 as 2 number. 16 minus 64 is equal to 80. Okay, then we can write 1 by x all square minus 1 by x all cube, and we can write 16 is as 4 square and 64 is 4 cube is equal to 0. Then we can write 1 by x all square minus 4 square minus 1 by x all cube minus 4 cube is equal to 0. Then we can use here as a formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and if we use a bracket here it will be plus. Then we use here as a formula a cube plus b cube as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we can write 1 by x plus 1 by 4 and 1 by x minus 1 by 4, and here we can write 1 by x plus 1 plus 4 and bracket 1 by x bracket all square minus 1 by x into 4 plus 4 square. Okay friends, then we can write as a common a1 by x plus 4 and here will be 4 and here will 4. A1 by x plus 4 and 1 by x plus 4 is common. 1 by x plus 4 and remind here 1 by x minus 4, and here will be remind that minus 1 by x all square minus and minus plus, so 4 by x minus 4 square means 16, okay, is equal to 0. Then we can write 1 by x plus 4, and here we can write 1 by x minus 1 by x all square plus 4 by x minus 4 and 16 is equal to 20 is equal to 0. Okay, then we use a formula a plus b is equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Okay, then we can write 1 by x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then 1 by x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, then we can write here, from here 1 by x minus 1 by x square all square plus 4 by x minus 20 is equal to 0. Here 4 by x and 1 by x is equal to 5 by x minus 1 by x all square minus 20 is equal to 0. 20 is equal to 0. Then we can write as here 5 by x minus 1 by x square minus 20, as LCM is x square. So we can write 5x minus 1 minus 20x square is equal to 0. Then we can write here, multiplying the both sides x square, we can write minus 1 minus 20x square by x square into x square is equal to 0 into x square. Okay, here is x square is cancelled, and x minus 1 minus 20 x square is equal to 0. We rearrange this minus 20x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we can write from here minus 1 is common, 20x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here is minus 1 will be cancelled from left side to right side. Then we can write 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we note that quadratic equation bx plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. Here a is equal to 20 and b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 1. So we can write from here x is equal to minus and bracket minus plus minus root over minus 5 all square minus 4 into 20 into 1 by 2 into 20. Okay friends, then we can write x is equal to minus and minus is equal to plus and plus minus root over root over here we can write 25 square is equal to 5 square is equal to minus 25, and minus here we can write as 4 and 4 20 and 4 times is equal to 80. By here we can write here 40. Okay, then we can write here 5 plus minus root over minus 55 by 40. Okay, then we can write from here as 5 by 40 plus minus root over minus 55 by 40. Okay, here is 5 divided by 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Okay, 1 by 8, so we can write 1 by 8 plus minus we know root over minus 55, we can write 55 root over minus 1 and root over 55. Okay, here root over minus 1 is equal to I and root over 55, so we can write I root over 55 by 40. Okay, this is the final value of this equation, so we can write x1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 and x2 is equal to 1 by 8 plus here plus I root 55 plus by 40, and x3 is equal to 1 by 8 minus I root over 55 by 40. Okay, this is the free equation solution of this equation. Now we check as x is equal to minus 1 by 4, then we putting this value of the equation 1 by x all square minus 1 by x all cube is equal to 80. Now we putting x is equal to minus 1 by 4, so we can write here 1 by 4 is all square minus 1 by minus 4 all cube is equal to 80, and we can write minus 4 all square minus 4 all cube is equal to 80. Okay, then we can write 4 square is equal to 16 and minus plus, and 4 cube is equal to 64 is equal to 80, and 80 is equal to 80. So x1 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, everybody please subscribe my channel to get new update video. Okay, thank you.